Mastering Affiliate Marketing, the ultimate guide to online wealth creation. Hey, and welcome to Winning Wealthy, where a winning attitude creates wealthy altitudes. Today, we've got an exciting topic lined up for you. Mastering Affiliate Marketing, the ultimate guide to online wealth creation. Are you ready to make money online like a pro? Then listen up. We're about to unleash the top affiliate marketing tips that will take you on a journey to online wealth creation. Get ready to learn and revolutionize your affiliate marketing game. Trust me, this is not your average get-rich-quick scheme. So buckle up, and let's embark on this exhilarating adventure together. Mastering affiliate marketing starts right here, right now. Get ready to unlock the secrets to your winning journey. But hey, before we dive in, do me a favor and give that like button a satisfying tap. Hit that subscribe button like a boss, and don't forget to hit that bell to turn on your notifications. That way, you won't miss a beat when we drop my next mind-blowing video. First things first, let's talk about choosing the right niche. A niche is something you're passionate about, like your favorite hobby or interest. It's important to find something you love and enjoy talking about. To make sure your niche is a good choice, you also need to think about demand. This means finding out if there are people who want information or products related to your niche. Look for online communities or groups where people are actively talking about your niche. When you find a niche that combines your passion with a high demand, you're on the right track. It's like finding something you love and that many people want. This is important for success in affiliate marketing. Now that you've chosen your niche, it's time to look for affiliate programs. These programs let you earn money by promoting products or services related to your niche. But it's important to be picky and choose programs that are directly relevant to your niche. Relevance means that the products or services you promote should fit well with your content. It's like finding the missing piece of a puzzle that matches perfectly. This helps build trust with your audience and shows that you're an expert in your field. Also, pay attention to the commission rate of the programs you choose. You want to find programs that offer a high commission for your hard work. Some programs pay a flat rate per sale, while others give you a percentage of the total sale amount. Find the balance that works for you and your niche. Building relationships with your audience is key to successful affiliate marketing. To do this, create valuable content that meets their needs and provides helpful information. Offer incentives like discounts or freebies to show your appreciation and deepen your connection with your audience. Engaging with your followers is important too. Respond to their comments and questions, ask for their opinions, and reach out to them personally. This helps build trust and a sense of community. Search engine optimization, SEO, is a powerful tool for increasing your visibility and attracting more traffic to your content. It involves using keywords and optimizing your website or platform to rank higher in search engine results. To optimize your content for search engines, research relevant keywords and include them strategically in your content. But remember to write for real people, not just for search engines. Make sure your website is user-friendly and loads quickly, and organize your content in a logical way. SEO can bring targeted traffic to your content, which means people who are actively looking for what you have to offer. This increases your chances of conversions and income. Tracking your progress is crucial to understanding what's working and what needs improvement. Set clear goals and use analytics tools to measure your performance. Pay attention to feedback from your audience and adapt your strategies accordingly. Remember, affiliate marketing is a continuous journey of improvement. Keep refining your approach, experimenting with new ideas, and staying up to date with industry trends. In conclusion, mastering affiliate marketing is not only about the right niche, the right affiliate programs, valuable content, and SEO. It's also about keeping track of your progress and continually improving your efforts. By analyzing data, listening to your audience, and adapting your strategies, you can refine your approach and achieve greater success in the affiliate marketing world. Are you tired of the endless cycle of long working hours and the toll it takes on your well-being? It's time for a change. Prioritizing work-life balance is essential to reclaiming your time, health, and happiness. Take control of your future and explore new possibilities. If you're ready to break free from the confines of the 9-to-5 lifestyle and discover how to start making money online, it's time to visit Winning Wealthy. Their platform offers invaluable resources and guidance to help you navigate the path to financial freedom. Say goodbye to the exhausting grind and hello to a life of flexibility and abundance. Don't let another day slip by in the monotony of long hours and burnout. Embrace the opportunity to transform your life. Visit Winning Wealthy today and unlock the door to a brighter future, where you can finally escape the confines of the traditional work paradigm and pave your own path towards financial liberation. It's time to embrace change and embark on a journey that leads to a fulfilling and prosperous life. Click the link in the description. The possibilities await. Thanks for watching.